In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate videos in Google Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the tool, set up a fresh workspace, choose the right mode, write an effective prompt, and generate your first AI video with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to labs.google/fx. This is Google's experimental hub where Flow lives. Make sure the address is typed exactly as shown so you land on the official page. If you're prompted to continue in your browser or sign in, just follow the on-screen guidance so you can access the tools. On the page, look for the Launch Flow button and click it. This opens the Flow interface, which is a clean workspace designed for creative experiments. You'll see areas for prompts, settings, and results. Give it a moment to load. The first launch can take a few seconds. Once you're in, create a fresh space by selecting New Project. A new project helps you keep your ideas organized and ensures any settings or generations you try won't mix with previous experiments. Think of it as a blank canvas dedicated to this specific video. In the prompt area, you'll notice a model or mode selector. This may appear as a label you can click. Select that and choose the video option. This switches Flow into video generation mode so your prompt will produce moving visuals rather than images or text-based outputs. If you don't see video at first, expand the dropdown and look for it in the list. Now, type your prompt. Clear specific language leads to better results. Describe the subject, the action, the setting, and the style. You can add details like mood, lighting, camera movement, and color palette. For example, you might write a serene coastal sunrise, gentle waves lapping the shore, soft golden light, slow camera pan from left to right, cinematic style. Keep it concise but informative. If your idea has a focal point, put it early in the prompt. Avoid contradictory instructions and don't rely on brand names or copyrighted characters. Stick to descriptive attributes. When you're ready, click Generate. Flow will process your prompt and create a video preview. This can take a bit depending on complexity, so be patient. Once it appears, watch the entire clip to evaluate pacing, framing, and motion. If something feels off, refine your wording, adjust the action, clarify the environment, or tweak the style, and generate again. Small prompt edits often produce big improvements. That's it. You've launched Flow, started a new project, selected video mode, crafted a strong prompt, and generated your AI video. Keep iterating and your results will get better every time.